Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Hey there, car enthusiasts. Carhelpout here. A simple way to get a mobile mechanic service to come to you at any location at your convenience. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Today we're diving into the quirky world of the 2017 Honda Ridgeline. This unique vehicle has captured the attention of many. This isn't your typical rough and tumble pickup. It's designed for those who appreciate both style and functionality. It's a truck for those who want utility without sacrificing comfort. Imagine a vehicle that offers the best of both worlds. We'll explore common problems, why they happen, and solutions to keep your Ridgeline running smoothly. Maintenance tips are crucial for longevity. Whether you're a current owner, potential buyer, or just love cars, this video is for you. We aim to provide valuable insights for everyone. Stick around for our automotive motivational car quote of the day. It's sure to inspire your automotive journey. Buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get this show on the road. Your adventure with the 2017 Honda Ridgeline starts now. And don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast in as-is condition anywhere in U.S., go to carhelpout.com/house and get a relief. Before we dive into the problems, let's take a quick walk around of this unique beast. The 2017 Honda Ridgeline stands out in the crowded mid-size truck market with its innovative features and Honda's signature reliability. The 2017 Honda Ridgeline blends practicality with Honda refinement. Whether you're navigating city streets or parking in your driveway, this truck offers a seamless experience. Check out this in-bed trunk, perfect for stashing valuables or keeping tools organized. It's a feature that adds a layer of convenience for both work and play. And the dual-action tailgate folds down like a traditional truck bed, but also swings out like a door. This flexibility makes loading and unloading cargo a breeze. Under the hood, a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission offers a balance of power and efficiency. This engine ensures you have the muscle for towing and the efficiency for daily commutes. The Ridgeline's unibody platform gives it a car-like ride, great for everyday driving, but with some durability concerns we'll discuss later. This design choice makes it a comfortable option for long drives and city commutes alike. Let's get into those issues now. While the Ridgeline excels in many areas, there are some aspects that potential buyers should be aware of. Let's dive into some common issues with the 2017 Ridgeline, starting with the transmission. The transmission is a crucial component that ensures your vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently. Many owners report rough shifting, hesitation, or slipping gears. These symptoms can be quite alarming and may affect the overall driving experience. These issues often trace back to the Transmission Control Module, TCM. The TCM is responsible for managing the transmission's functions and ensuring it operates correctly. Honda has released software updates to address these problems. These updates can recalibrate the TCM and improve the transmission's performance. If you're experiencing transmission issues, check with your local Honda dealer for software updates. They can provide the necessary fixes to keep your vehicle running smoothly. Regular maintenance, like flushing and replacing transmission fluid, is key. Clean transmission fluid ensures that all components are well lubricated and functioning properly. Preventative maintenance can save you from costly repairs down the road. By staying proactive, you can avoid major transmission failures. Stay on top of it to keep your Ridgeline running smoothly. A well-maintained transmission ensures a reliable and enjoyable driving experience. Next up, fuel injectors. When they're not working properly, it can lead to poor fuel economy, engine misfires, and that dreaded check engine light. Carbon buildup is a common culprit. Use high-quality fuel and consider using a fuel injector cleaner occasionally. If you're already experiencing issues, you might need professional cleaning or replacement. It's not the cheapest repair, but it's better than dealing with a misfiring engine. Keep those injectors clean for a smoother ride.
Carhelpout.com.
Let's move on to
It's the convenience.
infotainment system glitches. The 2017 Ridgeline is no exception to these common issues. Screen freezing, Bluetooth connectivity problems, and navigation errors are frustrating. Many of these glitches can be resolved with a simple software update. Check with your dealer or update the system yourself through a USB drive. If software updates don't help, you might have a hardware issue. Visit your Honda dealership for a thorough check. Let's talk about air conditioning problems. Weak airflow, inconsistent cooling, or strange noises can be a real pain. Check your cabin air filter. If it's clogged, replace it. Low refrigerant levels can also cause issues. A quick trip to a mechanic for a recharge can usually sort this out. Keep your AC in top shape for a comfortable ride. Don't let a faulty AC ruin your driving experience. The Ridgeline's innovative bed and tailgate design is a standout feature. However, some owners report durability concerns with heavy or frequent use. A bed liner can protect against scratches,
Carhelpout.com.
dents,
It's
and
the
spills. It also makes cleaning up a breeze. Keep those tailgate hinges clean and lubricated for smooth operation. A little maintenance goes a long way in preserving your Ridgeline's bed and tailgate. Protect your investment with these simple steps. Let's talk about the Ridgeline's ride quality. The unibody construction gives it a smoother ride than typical trucks. However, some owners report suspension concerns over time. Routine maintenance can address many of these issues. Stay on top of tire rotations to ensure even wear and a smoother ride. If you notice significant suspension noise or a decrease in ride quality, have your shocks and struts inspected. These components can wear out over time, leading to a less than smooth ride. Keep your Ridgeline suspension in check for a comfortable drive. Rust and corrosion are the enemies of any vehicle, including the 2017 Ridgeline. Harsh winters and road salt can wreak havoc on your car's undercarriage. Some owners report rust forming on the undercarriage, wheel wells, or body panels. A good undercoating or rust-proofing treatment can prevent this. Regular car washes, especially during winter, can reduce the chances of rust forming. Protect your Ridgeline from the elements with these preventative measures. Honda issued a recall for fuel pump issues in certain 2017 Ridgeline models. This is a serious safety issue, potentially causing stalling or a sudden loss of power. Check the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's NHTSA website for recalls.
It's the convenience.
Use the VIN lookup tool to see if your Ridgeline is affected. If it is, Honda will replace the faulty fuel pump free of charge. Contact your local dealer to schedule the repair. Stay informed and keep your Ridgeline safe. We've covered a lot today, from transmission quirks to fuel pump recalls. So is the 2017 Honda Ridgeline a good truck? Absolutely. No car is perfect and the Ridgeline has its quirks. But overall, it's a reliable, comfortable, and versatile truck. It's not your typical work
It's
truck.
the convenience.
And it's not trying to be. If you want utility without sacrificing comfort, the Ridgeline is worth considering. Just stay on top of maintenance and be aware of potential issues. That's a wrap on our deep dive into the 2017 Honda Ridgeline. With a little TLC and preventative maintenance, this truck can provide years of reliable service. Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels. to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more automotive adventures. Share your thoughts, comments, or questions below. Until next time, keep those engines running smoothly, and remember, a truck isn't just a vehicle. It's a tool for adventure. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.